Evening everyone. Today I am here with a very important topic of class 12th from the chapter Ray Optics of Physics, and the topic's name is Lensmaker's formula. This is very important as I have written on the top as well that it has been asked various times in JK by the JK board in previous years. So let us start the topic. What is Lensmaker's formula? So it is the relationship between focal length, refractive index and radius of curvature of two refracting surfaces which are forming a lens. And in this case we have taken a convex lens, hence the R1 and R2 are radius of the two convex surfaces, which I will be telling you are ABC1 and ADC1. So for the first refracting surface, this is the center of curvature, so this BC1 dash is R1 and this DC2 is R2. Now we know the sign conventions. Forward distances or distances in the direction of light taken as positive, whereas backward distances or the distances in the opposite direction of light are taken as negative. Let's move forward. Applying spherical equation for surface ABC1. Let us assume a point object placed at a point O. Now a ray of light will come from O and will strike at point A1 of the surface ABC1. At point ABC1 it will experience a refraction obviously due to this lens surface. So within the lens it will pass in the direction A1B1. It will refract, it will get away from the normal in this direction. It has to go here. Anyhow, it will form an initial image which is I1. Now this I1 will behave as object 2 for the other refracting surface which is ADC1. Now for this refracting surface again there will be a refraction and the final image is I2, taking I1 as the object 2. Fine. Now we will apply spherical equations for this and this surface, which is refractive index upon distance of object plus refractive index of the other medium and distance of the other object. Difference between the refractive indexes and the radius of curvature. We will apply according to the sign conventions for both the surfaces for ABC1 and ADC1. Next we will add both equations. We will cancel some terms and on further solving this equation, we will definitely get the Lensmaker's formula. Thank you.